Kumari, botanical name aloe vera, family Liliaceae. Paraya sir, Kumari, Stuladala, Ghruta Kumari, Vipulasrava, Kanya, Gruhakanya. Rasapanchaka, Tiktarasa, Gurusnigdha Pichila Guna, Shita Virya, Katu Vipaka, Kapha and Vata Shamaka. Karma sir, Chakshushya, Rushya, Brahmana, Rasayana, Vedana, Kushtagna and Krimigna. Prayoga sir, Ekrutudara, Pliha Udara, Gulma, Granthi, Agnidagda, Vrana, Jwara, Tvakroga, Shula and Vibandha. Amayika Prayoga. In Pliha Ruddhi, Aridra powder and juice of Kumari are given. In Apasmara, ghee prepared with the Estimado Quata and Kumari Swarasa is useful. Partus, leaves, dosage, fresh juice about 10 to 20 ml. Formulations are Kumari Asava, Raja Pravartini Vati, Kumari Vati and Kumari Swarasa.